007.
Di ko na...
Oh, it's over. Seriously.
Tin! Let's go back na. Tin na.
Mangunguha kami ng upo.
Ako na ba?
What is this tree po, Tita Nits?
There's no fruit there.
Oh, this one looks like ampalaya. Wow, may ampalaya din.
It's a big one.
Wow, may ano,
One.
may watermelon. Ay, is this watermelon or pakwan or ano?
That's how I know. I get the big one.
Is this onion, Tita Nits?
Yeah.
Wow, I don't know that it grows like this.
There's a spring onion.
Oh.
The one, well, you can plant it. You can use
Ah, that's like it's under the soil.
Yeah. Bulak-bulak siya dito. That's a flower.
I got
Pero
one.
nagiging seed.
Wow, wala kinuupo sa mo. Wow, ang lalaki naman, Tita Nits.
Na-amaze ka ba?
Yeah.
Very much go to Minnesota and get the seedlings.
What the seeds from the Philippines?
You know, this one is the sayote, but it just start growing. Maybe I'll
Sayote?
maybe I'll dig him and plant him in a planter out inside. Huh? Because
Wala kinuupo na nako mo, Junie.
may talong nga din eh.
Yeah, I mean, but when you cut it half, do you think it's gonna last for how many days?
Weeks. Sino tayo may talong? Basta na.
May talong din si Tita Nits. But this is American talong. It looks kind of big and it's really dark. Oriental.
Yung mas malaki pa na pabilog, diba? The black beauty.
But all the plants here are organic.
Yes.
And tomatoes. In ano, what kind of kamote? Yung ano, yung leaves din yung kinakain? Yung leaves din?
Yeah.
Wow. And this is asparagus. Asparagus? Para saan?
Yeah, asparagus. Yung pinakain sa akin ni Merlin. When we went to Zimri's garden, tita.
Oh.
Si Merlin kumuha siya ng isa.
Is your asparagus as high as
Tita Nits garden.
high as this?
Timberling.
Yes, tita. So, kumuha si Merlin ng isa. Tapos kumuha din. No?
Na long time ago, ano yun? Hey, malukan may kangkong.
Kangkong? Ay, kangkong. Ang kulit ng kangkong. Tita Nits, you don't have to go to Walmart to buy vegetables.
Ito yung sili.
Wow. And a lot of flowers too.
And may sitaw din si tita. Tingnan mo.
Wow. At Ines, tiny seeds.
Tita, is this, strawberry pa dito?
Ha? Strawberry?
Yeah. Last time may mga nagbunga siya ng maliliit.
There's more. There is something in there. Just all covered up.
Where's the strawberry?
Ayun. Kaya lang maliliit pa siya. Maliliit pa siya.
Maliit pa.
Opo, maliliit pa yung bunga.
Very nice.
Yung may bunga na
Sila? Wala yan.
Ah, ay.
See? Ayan.
Kumakain ka ba
Ano
yan?
ba ba yan? Ba't
Ano
parang
ba,
ang laki nung stem?
Ang lalaki ng,
yeah,
ano
they
yan,
are.
ng stem niya. Gawa
See,
ng,
you know, I was making it and I used this one. I used it from here.
Tsaka di ba parang medyo violet yun sa atin?
Oh, there are two kinds. There's a
meron
violet.
isa yung violet.
There's a violet.
Ah, ay, ito yung alam ko.
Yeah. But there is one in it. That's the kind. See, there's one growing down here too, like that.
So the two kinds.
If you want to, just
There are two
just cut
kinds
the
pala.
stem up with the leaves.
Dito,
Ang palaya.
Kasi ang
Ayun o, may ampalaya na din dun. Tapos yung mga flowers, meron na din yung mga bunga, di ba? Ayan o.
ayun na, yung maliliit.
Mapait ba tita nits tong mga ampalaya mo? Or it
Masarap
depends?
naman, mapait pero masarap. One, I have bigger than one. I pick it. It's in the kitchen.
Is it sweet?
Is, yun tita?
I give one to.
Nakiki-harvest.
Naki-harvest din.
Naki-harvest ang mga sisteret. Thank you po, Tita Nits. Wow! What is this called again?
Braso.
Braso
de
de
Maria.
Mercedes. Because that aniyaw!
Hi, Ginger. Hi.
Hi, Ania! Bye-bye na, champi.